Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade, what I do today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 27th of October, so the time is almost like 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is open today. So yes, so Nifty 50 is opening at 11,807.10. So it's 0.33% up as of now, and advanced stocks are 33, declines are 15, and unchanged are 2 stocks as of now. So yes, let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up in a pre-open market. That is NTPC with 3.32% up, Kotak Bank with 2.51% up, and SBI Life with 1.56% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down. So that is Adani Ports with 0.96% down, SDFC with 0.84% down, and Grasim with 0.77% down. So guys, these are the stocks which are opening in the gap up and gap down, and these are the market is opening today. So yes, just in few minutes I'll be showing you my live trade, what I do and what stock I pick and everything, and I'll be explaining the trade what I take. So stay tuned for that. So guys, right now we have selected Adani Ports and we are in a short sell trade of Adani Ports now around 355. So we'll see how far the stock will go down and what profit we'll be able to book. So planning to keep 0.5% target. Yes, as you can see, almost 353.45 is a low what it has made as of now. So I shot around 355. So if you guys can see, our 0.5% target is already achieved, like 1.5 rupees. Okay, so it was a very quick movement what it happened today. And if you guys can see, Nifty 50 is like 0.00%, like there is no changes at all, like only 0.02% down right now. So this is how the Nifty is looking today, the market, and it was a very quick move what we got in Adani Ports today. Okay, so the target achieved very quickly. So if you guys can see, even now the stock might continue to fall down, but our 0.5% target is achieved, if you guys can see. So still the stock is making its own low, so 352.40 as of now, a very quick movement here, if you guys can see. So guys, it's continuing to make its own low 352. Maybe 352 will also break, but anyways our target is achieved, like more than 1% here. If you guys can see, we shot around 355 and it's 352 now, so 3 rupees target. So guys, yes, if you guys see now, the stock is back up, that is at 954 as of now, 954.70. and if I just see it in a lower time frame candle, it has not made any big higher rise yet. Okay, so if it's continuing to make this higher rise, then the stock might fall down. But if you can see here, this was the 5 minutes candle chart what we are seeing, and previous candle high was broken by the next green candle high, 930 candle. So if it's continuing to break up continuously high, then the chances of this stock going up is more, but we'll see. So in the 15 minutes candle chart, if you see in a longer time frame, it has not broken any highs, if you guys can see. Okay, and let me just quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart. So this is how the Nifty 50 chart is looking. In Nifty 50 chart, what has happened is, in 15 minutes candle, the first 15 minutes candle low has been got broken. So that means that the Nifty might go down, the market might go in a downside. So we'll see how it can perform. But anyways, as of now, we have exited the Adani Ports trade and we booked a profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in the trade of Adani Ports. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. So guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. So you can go through all of this feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the client screenshot of profit what they shared with me. So Adani Ports 1143 rupees profit. So Adani Ports 1625 rupees profit, 3050 rupees profit, and 1475 rupees profit. So these are the profit what my clients were able to book today in today's trade of Adani Ports. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.